Yes, hello, welcome to Sojaman Cafe. Yes, please subscribe to this channel, Sojaman Cafe. Like the video and share so that others too can get access to our videos. Yes, as I always tell you, subscribe to this particular channel. Subscribe to this particular channel. Like the video and share. Yes, we are on the morning game. Yes, that's Vag Tuesday. Vag Tuesday for today. Yes, so let me take you through what we have for our Vag Tuesday. And this is a transfer from National to Vag Tuesday. Transfer from National to Vag Tuesday. So let me take you through. Okay, watch event number 2262. I saw that it dropped you 57 here. Following down, drop you 90 at machine. So 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, drop you 50, 44, 80, and 1 and 18 at the machine side. Yes, so following down today, we are on this event. And as you can see, your 90 moved to winning as a free banker, 18, 10 to 81. You see it drop you 66, following week it repeated, it drop you 15, following week it repeated. So the event is very good to go. Yes, the event is very good to go. So please can you PM the event, and this is the only event you are using for today. Yes, this is the only event you are using for this morning game, which is the Vag Tuesday. So stake some, win some, and let's go. Okay, so this is going to be our full game. Yes, that's the event. Yes, so let me compare the current to let me compare the current for you. Current of Vag Tuesday to this setup. Yes, so if you come here, this is the current of Vag Tuesday. So you see event number 65 drop you the 57. So following drop you the 90 at machine. So 1, 2, 3 drop you the 50, 80, 1 and 44 and 18 at the machine. So same thing was done here. Same thing was done here. Yes. So what are you waiting for? Just let's go in for the event. Let's PM and win. Yes. So that's it. That's it. So this is going to be our final game for the day. Yes, and as I always tell you, if you want to write your game, don't go anywhere than Sojaman. Yes, don't go anywhere. WhatsApp me on this line 0593673300. 0593673300. Just send all your list to this WhatsApp line and I will get time for you, do your calculation for you, and write for you. Yes, and if you win, right in the morning after the results, you'll get your money straight. Yes, so that's it. That's it. So please PM the event. This is the final game for our Vag Tuesday. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.